Summary of Fantastic Mr. Fox. The story follows Mr. Fox, a clever and resourceful fox who lives with his wife and four little foxes on a hill near three mean, wealthy farmers named Boggis, Bunce, and Bean. Each farmer is cruel and greedy in his own way. Boggis, a fat chicken farmer who eats 3 boiled chickens for every meal. Bunce, a short duck and goose farmer who eats donuts stuffed with duck liver. Bean, a tall, thin turkey and apple farmer who drinks gallons of cider. Mr. Fox regularly steals food from their farms to feed his family. Every night, he sneaks into their farms and takes chickens, ducks, or cider. This makes the 3 farmers furious. They swear to kill Mr. Fox. The Farmer's Revenge. The farmers decide to wait outside Mr. Fox's hole with their guns. When Mr. Fox comes out, they shoot, but Mr. Fox is quick and only loses his tail. Determined to catch him, the farmers dig up his burrow with shovels and later with diggers. Mr. Fox and his family keep digging deeper to escape. The farmers become obsessed. They surround the hill with men and machines, trying to starve the Fox family out. They even camp outside for days, refusing to leave. Mr. Fox's brilliant plan. While the farmers wait above ground, Mr. Fox comes up with the clever plan to feed his family and the other starving animals, badgers, moles, rabbits, underground. He starts digging secret tunnels leading directly to the farmers' stores. First, he digs into Boggis's chicken house and steals chickens. Next, he digs into Bunce's store and grabs ducks, geese, and vegetables. Finally, he digs into Bean's cider cellar and takes bottles of cider. He invites all the underground animals to join a grand feast. They celebrate safely while the farmers continue waiting hopelessly outside.